Can resetting my Honeywell thermostat solve temperature control issues?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be tackling a common issue that many people encounter with their thermostats, temperature control issues. If you have a Honeywell thermostat, you might be wondering if a simple reset can solve these problems.
Can a reset fix temperature control issues?
It's not uncommon for thermostats to act up now and then, causing discomfort in our homes or workplaces. If your Honeywell thermostat is giving you trouble, a reset could indeed be a solution. It's important to note, however, that a reset doesn't always fix all temperature control issues. It's effective when the problem lies within the thermostat software, such as after power outages, misconfigurations, or software bugs.
How to reset your Honeywell thermostat?
Resetting a Honeywell thermostat is a simple process. 1. Turn off your thermostat. You can do this by simply switching it off using the power button. 2. Find the Reset button. This is usually located on the front of the thermostat, but it could be on the inside for some models. If so, you'll need to remove the cover. 3. Press and hold the Reset button. Do this for around 5 seconds. 4. Turn on your thermostat. Switch the power back on. 5. Wait for the thermostat to restart. It should come back up with factory settings. Remember, each Honeywell thermostat model might have slightly different reset procedures, so it's best to consult your user manual for precise instructions.
What if a reset doesn't solve the problem?
If you're still facing temperature control issues after resetting your Honeywell thermostat, the problem might be more complex. It could be an issue with your HVAC system, wiring, or even the thermostat hardware itself. In such cases, it's recommended to seek help from a professional HVAC technician. They can diagnose and resolve the issue for you. Resetting your Honeywell thermostat can indeed solve certain temperature control issues, but remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. When in doubt, always consult with an HVAC professional to ensure your system works properly and keeps your environment comfortable. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.